Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best drill bit jig is probably one of the most underrated tools in any workshop. Dull drill bits lead to frustrating projects and wasted materials, but with the right jig, you can restore your bits to razor-sharp condition. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of drill bit sharpening jigs, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can save you time and money. Number 5. Drill Dr. DD750X Drill Bit Sharpener. This is the Drill Dr. DD750X, a tool designed to sharpen your twist drill bits. It can handle bits from 3/32 to 3/4 inches, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. The DD750X not only sharpens your bits but also splits the cutting tip. This process reduces wear and significantly boosts the cutting performance of your drill bits. You can sharpen your bits to angles between 115 and 140 degrees. This allows you to customize the sharpening to suit your specific needs and ensure your bits are in top condition. The Drill Dr. DD750X comes with a 3-year warranty. This warranty protects the sharpener against any defects in workmanship or design, offering you peace of mind. The DD750X is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon. The company ensures that the product is sourced from high-quality manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. What we like. This sharpener not only sharpens, but also splits the cutting tip, enhancing performance. It offers adjustable angles, allowing you to tailor the sharpening to your specific needs. If you frequently work with various materials and require precision, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. I have used this sharpener on several drill bits and it works great. The jig is easy to use and produces a good edge on the drill bit. The design of the jig is well thought out and allows for easy sharpening. Number 4. Drill Dr. DD350X Drill Bit Sharpener. Tired of dull drill bits? This sharpener can handle bits from 3/32 to 1/2 inch. It's perfect for common bit styles used on wood and light metals. The diamond sharpening wheel is built to last, maintaining its shape over time. It's designed to keep the bits cool, preventing them from losing their temper during sharpening. Forget complicated alignment. This sharpener simplifies the process. Just secure the bit and turn the chuck to achieve the perfect 118-degree angle. The V-block jaws keep it steady. Rest easy with a 3-year warranty. It protects the sharpener against any defects in workmanship or design. This ensures you're covered. This product is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon. They ensure the highest quality by sourcing from top manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. What we like. With just 2 simple steps, this sharpener simplifies the sharpening process. Its industrial-strength diamond will ensures durability and maintains its shape over time. If you value ease of use and long-lasting performance, this sharpener is an excellent choice. What people say. This sharpener worked great. I sharpened over 200 bits the first day and they are very sharp. It allows you to keep using those drill sets in which several have become dull, and buying individual replacements gets pricey. Although mostly plastic, the heart of the unit is a motor, grinding wheel and cam drill chuck, which allows grinding proper side and rake angles. These components seem of adequate quality. After receiving this sharpener, it took a few minutes of reading the user manual to understand how it works, then a few minutes to sharpen my first dull drill bit, 3/16. Under magnification, it looked a bit rough, not as smooth as a new bit, but it cut like crazy. The first thing I noticed was the sharpened bit threw out chips of wood, while before when it was dull it created fine sawdust. Number 3. Tormek DBS22 Drill Bit Sharpener. This is the Tormek DBS22, a drill bit sharpening jig. It's designed for use with Tormek water-cooled sharpening systems. This attachment ensures your drill bits are always in top condition. The 4-facet point creates a chisel edge. This design prevents the drill bit from walking and ensures round, straight holes. You'll get precise results every time. The 2 cutting edges are sharpened symmetrically. This ensures they work together perfectly, extending the life of the drill bit. This feature provides consistent performance. It sharpens all point angles between 90 and 150 degrees. You can customize the sharpening to suit your specific drilling needs. This flexibility is a key advantage. Set the optimal clearance angle to 7, 9, 11, or 14 degrees. This allows you to achieve the best results for various drilling tasks. It's designed for optimal performance. The drill holder sharpens bits from 1/8 inch, 3 mm, to 7/8 inch, 22 mm. It's versatile enough to handle a wide range of drill bit sizes. This makes it a valuable tool for any workshop. What we like. This attachment creates a 4-facet point for precise drilling. It sharpens symmetrically, prolonging the life of your drill bits. If you are looking for professional results and want to ensure your drill bits last longer, you should consider this. What people say. Everything you need from setting the depth of the bit in the holder, to measuring the bit angle are all on the jig itself. This jig has completely rejuvenated all my drill bits, including the masonry bits, and now they will cut through even hard steel like a hot knife through butter. It is very easy to set up, easier than on the video, and I couldn't be more pleased with how the bits cut after being sharpened. Number 2. Woodworking Square Hole Drill Bit Sharpener. This sharpening kit is designed to sharpen your square hole drill bits. It's perfect for bits up to 1/2 inch. This tool will keep your bits in top condition. With a 1/4 inch hex shank, it fits most hand power drills. This makes it incredibly convenient to use. You can quickly and easily sharpen your bits. The kit includes 2 grits, number 220 and number 600. This combination saves you time and significantly improves your work efficiency. It allows for a comprehensive sharpening process. Made from premium steel with diamond plating, this tool is built to last. It's durable and provides a long service term. You can rely on it for consistent performance. The tapered head diameter is 3/4 inch by 7/8 inch. The hex shank is 1 to 1/8 inch long with a 1/4 inch diameter. The grits are number 220 and number 600. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for sharpening square hole drill bits. It comes with a 2-grit combo, saving you time and improving efficiency. If you're a woodworker or work with mortise and tenon joints, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. These are quite easy to use even for a novice. Using them as a sharpening tool has tightened up some of my artwork on wooden stands I make for gemstones. Works well. Used with battery-powered drill impact. Number 1. GOODSMANN 9923-0110-01 Drill Bit Sharpener. Introducing the GOODSMANN 9923-0110-01 Drill Bit Sharpener. This tool is designed to keep your drill bits in top condition, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Built with a high-strength engineering plastic body, it's made to last. This durable design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of regular use. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. You can take it wherever you need it, making it a versatile tool for any job. It sharpens bits from 1/8 to 25/64 inches, perfect for most common drill bit styles. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Designed for serious tool users, it's easy to keep a sharp, perfectly angled cutting edge. This professional system simplifies the sharpening process. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this sharpener is an ideal tool. It enhances both the quality and safety of your work. What we like. This sharpener is compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for various applications. It's designed for serious tool users, ensuring a sharp and perfectly angled cutting edge. If you are a professional tradesperson or a serious hobbyist, this is an ideal tool for you. What people say. Works well and fast. Works just fine pretty fast. The only downside is you can't replace the grindstone. All my drills bits are now sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.